Enchilada means dipped in chili in Spanish, and true to its name, these stuffed corn tortillas are typically smothered in sweet and mildly spicy chili sauce. First cooked up by native Mexicans centuries ago, enchiladas are an ancient food, but they are definitely not passé. In modern times, the enchilada has become a metaphor for having it all. The whole enchilada means there's no holding back. There are numerous enchilada recipes today. This black bean and veggie version starts with the filling sauce. It's a chili-flavored tomato puree. They add organic corn, a firm variety that's mildly sweet. That means the flavor won't clash with the chili spice. Spiraling blades fold the corn into the filling sauce. The mixing action is gentle to keep the kernels intact. The next ingredient is tofu, diced into cubes. Like the corn, it's a firm type for a more substantial texture. The firm tofu is also quite porous, so it readily absorbs the flavors of the enchilada filling sauce. They green up the sauce with chunks of organic zucchini, uniformly diced with the skins on. Black beans are next, already cooked and with the juices drained. This completes the enchilada filling sauce. They cool it to preserve its thick consistency and overall freshness. And now they're ready to wrap. They pump measured amounts of the black bean and vegetable mixture onto each tortilla. And here the chilling of the filling pays off. A warmer, runnier sauce would spill out and make a mess. But this cool, thick sauce stays where they put it, in the middle of the tortilla. Workers now roll the tortillas around the black bean and veggie mix. There's a trick to this. If the tortilla is rolled too tightly, there could be leakage. Too loose, and the enchiladas could come undone. A perfectly rolled enchilada fits neatly into the trays. They place the enchiladas seam side down in the container. Elsewhere in the factory, they sauté various chili powders in flour and oil. They liquefy this flavorful mix with vegetable broth. Mixing blades blend the simmering ingredients and the flavors intensify. It thickens to a gravy-like consistency. And as one would do with gravy, they strain out any lumps or impurities. What exits the sieve is pure enchilada chili sauce. Next, it flows into a dispenser. The nozzle head is the exact same length as the enchiladas, ensuring complete coverage as the sauce is pumped onto them. The enchiladas are now swimming in chili sauce, imbuing the dish with mild spice. The chili sauce also serves to keep the tortillas moist during cooking. They sprinkle on freeze-dried chives. This herb adds an oniony nuance to the dish. Every few minutes, they pull a tray off the production line and weigh it to confirm that the portion size is right. They churn out 53 enchilada entrees a minute at this factory. Next, it's into the freezer to preserve the enchiladas at Arctic-like temperatures. It's a new day and a new shift of workers. They place the enchiladas on a conveyor en route to the packaging line. It takes just 1 minute to wrap and box 75 frozen enchilada entrees. Technology and humans team up to get the job done fast. Enchiladas have come a long way over the centuries. From a simple meal first whipped up by the Mayans of Mexico to a mass-produced frozen meal. Today, they're consumed in countries around the world. And with these frozen versions, mealtime is no trouble at all. Just heat and eat.